Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Docs Da Vinci from the Shoe City Entertainment Channel, and today I'm going to be telling you how you can start making cold, hard cash using just your smartphone. Now, if you were like I was just a few months ago, working a minimum wage 9-to-5 job that I couldn't stand, hoping that I could just make some disposable income because I couldn't make ends meet, and just watching a bunch of YouTube videos on my phone, then this is going to be the perfect video for you, because I'm going to tell you how you can stop watching videos on your phone and start using your phone to make some cold, hard cash. As you can see, guys, right here, I am holding money right now, so you guys know that I do indeed have money. So this is not some bullshit. This is not some pyramid scheme. This is not a scam, all right? This is the easiest thing that you're ever going to do to make money. As you can see right here, I'm holding $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 in cold hard cash right now, all from things that I've done using just my smartphone. You see, guys, I am in a car right now. I have a car, so you guys know this is not some bullshit, all right? And if you want to know how you can also make this type of money so you can go out on dates, you can buy those fancy sneakers that you've been wanting, you can upgrade your phone, you can take your wife on that trip that you've always been wanting to take her on. Cold hard cash, all because of just using my smartphone. And if you want to know how you can start making some disposable income like this, and you can also sit in a car like this, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to our channel, Shoe City Entertainment. And if you're not subscribed, you got to do that now and hit that notification button. Only then will you be updated and uploaded to our official email subscription list, where you can start getting this information that you need so you can start making money via your smartphone. Don't you want to quit that job? Don't you want to tell your boss to suck it? I know you do. So all you got to do is like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you're watching this from, let's say, Facebook or Twitter or Tout or something like that, all you got to do is follow the link directly back to our YouTube channel, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel. That's all you got to do, and only when you do that will you be able to get this information so you can start making cold, hard cash. It's your boy Docs Da Vinci. I gotta go. I gotta use my phone now to make some more cold, hard cash. Peace.